Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. In today's video, I'm going to give you a tour of our living room before we started our flooring project. Right here, I'm showing you our staircase with the Brazilian cherry treads and landing area that my husband did a few summers ago. I apologize for the light here. It was very bright in my living room and my camera was having trouble focusing. But we're replacing most of the flooring in our house with this Brazilian cherry. The downstairs area was all this honey-colored oak parquet. We replaced the very downstairs area that you can see there down those 3 steps last summer with some stone, but the rest of it we're replacing with cherry. And this parquet is only about a 1/4 inch thick. We've never really liked the color of it, and since it's already been refinished 3 times, it can't be refinished anymore. So now is the time for us to replace it with some new thicker 3/4 inch Brazilian cherry hardwood. So the living room is the first room in our house as you come in the front door, and I'm showing you here a little detail on the parquet. You can see the floor was kind of separating there a bit. It was just glued down. This is the area under our front window, and then along the side wall we have these 2 large bookcases with this sofa, and that purple bin was to put things in as we were emptying the room out. And then over on this wall we had the piano. And then I'm going to swing back around so you can see our front window, our front door area, and our entry cabinet. And it was still decorated for my daughter's graduation. And then here's the staircase that came down. So if you want to see how the project progresses, I hope you'll tune in again for the other episodes. If you're new to my channel, I typically post videos several times a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home.